trip and I'm so excited. So let's pack together. So I actually just bought these suitcases. They are brand new. I bought them in Marshall's, but they're from the brand Max Studio. I had a set of suitcases from Samsonite. If you guys watched my previous pack with me video from last year, those were the ones that I used, but I decided that it was about time to get new ones because they were extremely scratched from the airport, and I felt like it was just time to get a new set of suitcases. So I love this color, this little silver color. I never see people with this type of suitcase, and I feel like it's super important to have different type of suitcases because whenever you're waiting for your luggage, I feel like some people like get the wrong suitcase or whatever. So I feel like these are kind of different and they're super cute. So I'm super excited to have a new set of suitcases. I'm gonna be bringing to a check-in and a carry-on. So I'm gonna pack my clothes first, and then we're gonna do toiletries, jewelry, socks, all of that kind of stuff. So let's get to packing. First thing that I'm gonna do is pack my clothes. I feel like that's the tedious task, and picking what type of outfits that you wanna bring is like pretty stressful. So first I'm gonna get that out of the way. I'm gonna choose my tops and my shirts first, and then I'm going to get into the pants and the shorts. Also, I didn't mention, but I'm going to Spain. I'm going to Madrid and Barcelona, so I'm super excited. I actually just checked the weather app and it's pretty chilly over there right now, but it can also get hot during the day. So I'm gonna bring a little bit of both, like some long sleeves, but I also wanna wear tops and stuff. So we're gonna see what we can find, what outfits we could pair. But first, I'm gonna start with tops. I just picked out all of this. I feel like it looks like a lot. I'm gonna try to narrow it down a little bit, but this is all that I chose. The thing is, I don't know how bipolar the weather is gonna be, so I don't wanna bring too many like tops because what if it's cold, but then I also don't want to bring too many cold things because what if it's hot. I don't really know because I'm going to two different places and they're both different. One is like city, which is Madrid, which is colder, and then in Barcelona it could be a little bit hotter. So I don't know, but now I'm gonna choose pants and shorts. Now we have a mountain of clothes and I have to fold everything and really decide if I want to bring all of this because this looks like a lot and it's worrying me a little bit. Now I'm gonna pack my shoes. So I'm gonna bring these two sneakers and I'm gonna see what other shoes I could bring. I'm gonna bring these little cute dressy flip-flops that I just bought from Amazon. They're from the brand Project Cloud. They're super comfortable and I love them. I'm also gonna bring these beige sandals from Zara. I feel like this is super like cute in summer. They're actually disgusting, but I don't know how to clean that. Then I'm gonna bring these black heels for when going out. I feel like we're gonna be going out pretty good amount. So I'm gonna bring these for going out. And then I'm gonna bring these slides. These are the slides that I'm gonna bring on the airplane, which I've actually never gone to the airport in slides, but I wanna be extremely comfortable. So I'm gonna be bringing these. And I'm also gonna be using these in the hotel and if we go to the beach as well. So I'm gonna put all of my shoes in my carry-on because I don't want my check-in to be super heavy. I usually put them in plastic bags because if you don't put your shoes in plastic bags, you're disgusting, because you can't tell me that you're gonna put something like this with everything else that you're putting in your suitcase. That is very unsanitary and disgusting. So please use plastic bags, Ziploc bags, whatever you want to use, but don't put your shoes just thrown in your suitcase with everything else. packing the clothes, and now I'm gonna move on to toiletries. So I actually also bought this. When I bought the luggages, I also bought this from Marshalls. This was literally $10. And I've always wanted one of these little things that I could like hang in the bathroom of like a hotel, because I feel like it's much more practical. So I got this color that's beige. It's beautiful, and I think I'm gonna pack all of my toiletries in here. I'm gonna try to fit everything in here. And then I'm gonna be using this for makeup because it opens like this and it opens like very wide. So if I'm doing my makeup, I could see every product and it's much more practical. And then I also bought this from Marshalls. I already put a bunch of things in here. I'm gonna show you guys what I put in here, but it's basically a little thing that opens like this, and this is actually gonna go in my purse. So these are all like my purse necessities. I'm also gonna be packing my purse with you guys for the airport, so I'm gonna show you guys what I put in here. And then this is my little jewelry box that I'm also going to pack. I actually leave in 2 days, so I'm not gonna completely finish packing right now. I'm just getting the easiest and the things that I'm not really gonna be using in these next couple of days. So anyways, I'm going to take off this tag and start packing my little toiletry bag. Okay, so in this little thing right here, I'm gonna show you guys what I packed. First, I packed my little selfie light thing because I'm obviously gonna be like recording and stuff, and its charger. I got a mini lint roller for my clothes, a European adapter, some Advil, some Zyrtec for my allergies, this random chapstick, some tissues, and some wet ones for the plane. That's all that I have in here right now, but like I said, this is gonna go in my purse. It's just all my necessities. And I just finished packing this as well. This is what I have in here for now, and I'm probably gonna switch things up because I feel like there's a lot more space and I could utilize this a lot more. But like I said, I can't pack everything right now because I'm still gonna be here for 2 more days. So this is what I have in here for now, but I'll probably end up adding more or switching things up a little bit. As you could see, I also got some cotton rounds, but I'm just gonna throw this in the suitcase. And this is the body wash that I'm going to be bringing because I love my body wash so much that I cannot use any other body wash, and I fear that I'm not going to be able to find this when I get to Spain. So I'm just bringing mine to be safe. Now I'm going to pack my jewelry box, which all my jewelry is right there. So I'm just going to choose a couple bracelets, earrings, and my watch and just pack it all in here. One thing that I do know for sure that I want to buy in Spain is jewelry. I feel like all my jewelry is rusty, dusty, musty. I really want to get new necklaces, new earrings, bracelets, and I also want to buy a bunch of shoes, but definitely jewelry because I don't like my jewelry at all. I want to get rings. Like, I just want to, you know, wear more jewelry and have cute jewelry because I feel like it's just so classy and I love it. Right now, I'm gonna pack my makeup in this little Rituals bag. I don't know if I'm gonna end up going to the beach, but I have plans to go to the beach someday, so I think I'm gonna bring 2 bikinis. I just got these 2 bikinis, so I'm gonna bring this green one and then this burgundy one. I just got them and I love them and I really want to use them. I feel like they're super cute and adorable. This one's like this little underwire, and then this one's kind of like this cute little ribbed material kind of thing. So I feel like I'm gonna bring these 2 just in case we end up going to the beach someday. So I just finished packing the little purse that I'm going to be bringing to the airport. I have my favorite snack, my jewelry, a journal, my documents, my passport, wallet, hand sanitizer, everything that I need in this cute little H&M suede bag that I recently bought, and it fits everything. I still need to add my computer and my headphones and all that, but I need to charge that first. I just finished packing and now the 2 suitcases are ready. It is the day of the flight, so I'm going to be leaving to the airport soon, but I'm so obsessed with these suitcases. This is the outfit to the airport. It's super comfortable. I want to be super comfortable. I'm wearing this little t-shirt from Abercrombie, these little yoga pants with a little flare, some slides, and I'm gonna also bring my Abercrombie quarter zip in case I get cold on the plane. But this is what I'm gonna be looking like in the airport, and I'm so excited.